Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix list icon alignment in icon list widget in Elementor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see icon and then you see icon alignment is not good, show in center because we have more than one line. Now you see this is one liner, but you have more than one line, then icon show in middle or center. So we are going to fix it. Now go to Elementor page. Now you see we are using icon list, so we are going to fix it. So first we are going to add CSS for Elementor Pro, because in Elementor Pro we have custom CSS section in advanced. Now click on advanced, scroll down, then you see custom CSS. Now click on it. So this CSS for Elementor Pro, and later we are going to add CSS for Elementor in any custom CSS plugin or additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see icon alignment, start from top. Now you see, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section for Elementor Pro and for Elementor only. Now you see icon alignment and then you see custom CSS. We are using Selector because we added custom CSS in Elementor Pro. And then you see elementor-icon-list-item, align item start, and then you see Selector, elementor-icon-list-icon, padding top 5px. Now make it 0. Now you see icon move above, so that's why we added 5. So you can add padding top number according to your requirement. If we add 1 5, now you see position move. If we add 2 5, now you see, but padding top 5px is good, so you can add number according to your requirement. And then you see media only screen, maximum width 767px, so this is for mobile layout. If you are facing issue in icon alignment for mobile layout after adding this CSS, then you can select number for mobile layout according to your requirement, and if you want you can set maximum width according to your requirement. Now go to mobile layout. So we are in mobile portrait. Now you see 5px. If we add 25, now you see, so this only change for mobile screen. For maximum width 767, now 15, now 5, and then click on update. Now update done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see, so Selector CSS for Elementor Pro. So now we are going to add custom CSS in additional CSS section. Now first go to Elementor page again. Now you see icon list, so click on desktop. Now remove this. Now scroll up, you see layout, so click on it, and then you see CSS ID or class. So we are going to add CSS class, so we added icon alignment, so click on update. So this is for Elementor only. So this CSS for Elementor without Pro. Now go to custom CSS and we are in additional CSS. Now we are going to paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now in this CSS you see class dot icon alignment instead of Selector, and remaining same Elementor icon list align item start. Again you see class icon alignment we added in CSS classes in advanced section, and then you see Elementor icon list icon padding top 5px, and then you see media only screen maximum width 767, icon alignment for mobile. So we change only Selector and then add CSS class, then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see icon list alignment is good. If you are using Elementor Pro, then you can add CSS in custom CSS section in advance. If you are using free version of Elementor, then you can add CSS class in advanced section for icon list widget, and then you can add custom CSS in additional CSS section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.